This intro is from song Sunn Raha from the movie Aashiqui 2. To play this intro, we have a capo on the third fret. So actually, this intro is played on electric guitar. So we are doing on the acoustic here. So capo on the third fret. Using capo on the third fret, we have a minor 7 chord. So the first chord is A minor 7. So if you know A minor chord, you just gotta lift your ring finger from A minor chord. So A minor 7. Then we have C. And we gotta shift the same C to the 5th fret respective to capo. So A minor 7, second chord is C. Then we go to this D11 chord here. So the same, you gotta grab the C chord and just shift it to 5th fret. So the right hand picking is like same for all the 3 chords. So we are doing 5, 4, 2, 3. So 5, 4, 2, 3. Then next chord C, same thing. Shift the chord and again do the same thing. So all 3 chords together. Then we gotta go end with this lick here. So we gotta hammer on and pull off on the 4th string. So from the open 4th string, we gotta hammer on to 2nd fret and pull back to open. Then we gotta go 5th string 3rd fret. So, and we gotta play 3rd fret and slightly bend down. So then we gotta go back to repeat the intro, so it gets like a loop.